Here we have a 97 Honda CR250 that suffered the results of a thrown chain. This could have been prevented if whoever owned this bike had taken care of his chain and sprockets. And what I mean by that is, if you look on the back of this thing, see how much that moves? This is not good. And then if you look at the teeth, see how worn those things are? Sprockets do wear, chains stretch, and it's a good idea to replace them together. And if he had done that, this would have been prevented. So if you think it's not a good idea to, change chain and sprockets at the same time, this is what you're in for. And this is not a cheap fix. These cases, the left half is discontinued now, and the right half I'm sure is probably discontinued too. And just the left half is about $400 to $500 if you can find one in decent shape that hasn't been repaired. And then you're looking at a full engine tear down to replace this. So do you want to save yourself some money? Maintain your chain and sprockets. Also, get a quality chain. This could have been prevented, but now we have a casualty. Left case, garbage. All due to lack of chain and sprocket maintenance. Hopefully this helps somebody. Hopefully it gives you insight to, maintain your chain and sprockets so this does not happen to you. Anyway, good luck.